what's the take on the FNO side? Let's look at FNO 360 powered by 5 Paisa. Our colleague Sajit Mangat is there with us to give us all the snapshots. Sajit, hi. A good day, a good rebound in the market. We can see what's happening latest in the FNO side.
Thank you, Kavita. A good day so far with a lot of short covering coming in on the index, especially Nifty and Nifty Bank there. And that you can see here, the Nifty is now cooled off from the top, but it's still up nearly 1.8% with the premium of nearly 108 and open interest now down marginally, and that shows the kind of short covering that we are seeing in the index. The Bank Nifty has also cooled off from the high day's high there, up nearly 1.75 as we speak, and the open interest is down nearly 5.66%, led by the short covering which we have seen there. But let's look at what Nifty Bank constituents are doing. There's a long buying which is happening in many of the private sector banks, which is HDFC Bank, ICICI, Axis and Kotak. There is short covering happening in Bank of Baroda and AU Small Finance Bank and PNB as we speak. So the banking index is also up today on the back of some shorts getting covered and some long position getting added there. Look at how Nifty options is playing for April 7 expiry. You have put riders which are active on 22,900 as we speak. You have 22,800 also, which is a very active strike price as we speak there. And these two strike prices are going to be a good support for the Nifty. If you look at a distribution chart, you have 23,000 continuing to be a strong resistance, but you have the put and call riders more or less active on 22,900, but with a strong support coming at 22,800 at this level. Look at what's happening in the futures. Gainers, you have Mazagon Dock, Interglobe and Avenue all up over 8% in today's trade. In the futures losers, you have just Apollo Hospital, which is down nearly 1.83% as we speak. Open interest gainers include stocks like Bosch, Nuvama and Ashok Leyland, where we are seeing some long buying. And open interest losers include BDL, Tata Tech and PG Electro, with short covering happening, and BDL open interest down nearly 5% as we speak. Let's look at what's happening in individual stocks, stock options. As you see, April 750 call. A stock is hovering around 745 as we speak, with 11.59 lakh increase in open interest. So 750 seems to be some kind of resistance coming in for SDFC. In the retail space, you have Avenue 4200 call, which is again, the stock is around 42,994, but there's a good interest coming in at 4,200 April call there. 23,000 odd contracts getting added in Avenue. On the put side, as you see, 750 put again very active, with premium down nearly 6 rupees to 32 rupees, 32.70 as we speak, and open interest up nearly 2.6 lakh contracts. The stock hovering at 744 there. There's another retail stock trend, 3,500 April put. Again, the premium is down sharply at 119 rupees to 163.5. Open interest of nearly 66,000 contracts there, and the stock hovering just below 3,500 level. So hectic activity happening in some of the retail space, like the DMart and the Trent there, on the back of optimism of sales. But the index is still, hovering in a positive territory, led by short covering, and currently the Nifty about 22,700 as we speak.
All right, Sajid, thank you so much for all those roundup on the FNO segment. But then let's